Hello, welcome back. What do we have today? Samsung washing machine showing an error code SUD. SUD, and the cycle stopped and the door got stuck. So in order to fix this, okay, I have to first turn it off. This code SUD means there is too much soap in the container. So when I try to clean the clothing in there, I put too much of this soap in this container. As you see here in the video, I overflowed it, and it's too much. So this is what happened. So you shouldn't do that. The right thing to do is to just put it right on the level that it shows there. You're gonna see a sign that it says max. So right up to there, you can. That's as much as you can add the soap. So just make sure you do the right thing. Go slow and don't go above that max sign. That's it. Once you do that and you start a new cycle, that error code should automatically disappear. That's it. That's gonna be it's gonna take you 2 minutes to do that. And after we restart a new cycle, all these codes should automatically disappear. So we turn it back on, start a new cycle, and that's it. We are on the go. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.